बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. A true friend. Complete story in English. In a small village, two boys grew up together, Ali and Bilal. Ali came from a wealthy family, while Bilal was poor and worked as a laborer to earn his bread. Despite their different backgrounds, their bond of friendship was unbreakable. One day, Ali fell seriously ill. The doctor warned that his illness might take a long time to cure. Many friends and relatives visited him occasionally, but no one stayed for long. Bilal, however, remained by Ali's side day and night. He brought him medicine, cooked food for him, and stayed awake to care for him during long nights. Whenever Ali was restless with fever, Bilal comforted him. Whenever Ali's parents lost hope, Bilal encouraged them with patience. The villagers were astonished to see that a poor man who had little for himself was giving everything he could for his sick friend. After months of struggle, Ali finally recovered. Standing among the villagers, Ali declared, "I had many friends in name, but only one true friend in reality, Bilal. Because a true friend is not the one who enjoys your happiness, but the one who stands by you in your hardest times." Moral: a true friend is the one who stands with you during hardships. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.